was in my way to LAX to record videos as I do once or twice per month, and in this case I just wanted to make something different. And after driving for 2 hours and a half, I got to Mojave Airport. This airport is a maintenance and storage facility, and it's also known as airplane's graveyard. On my visit, I was able to see Thai Airways 747 being taken apart. I don't know if any of these airplanes will ever fly again. 5 or 6 Atlas Air 747s, 2 Lufthansa 747s, and 2 KLM MD-11, as well as a Qantas 747. This Lufthansa 747, as you can see, the right hinges have been taken out of the airplane. This second Lufthansa 747 is the same thing. The engines have been taken out of the airplane. This KLM MD-11 has been, the registration has been removed from the airplane, as well as the engine. And a couple more Thai Airways airplanes here. This plane that you see on your screen, I was able to record it back in October 2014. You can see this is the rest of the graveyard. These 2 747s, one of them, it's a Qantas 747, and when I was recording the video, I was not able to distinguish that this was in fact the Qantas 747. I was under the impression that it was a Japan Airlines 747, and I made this assumption because of my small screen. I couldn't really distinguish the kangaroo in the back of the 747 until I transfer everything into my computer. As you can see, the tail number has been removed and it was painted over with paint or some kind of a marker to this 747 Lufthansa. I don't know if it will ever fly again, or if it's at the end of its life, since it's right here. The airplane looks in really good shape, and you can see the paint, it's really good still. This is another view from another location. When I started to record from the location before, that's when I hit home to see these airplanes being taken apart, and I guess it's like a brand new car and an old car that you get rid of the old car and buy a new one. It's the same thing with airplanes. This is the rest of the storage facility, and I was able to see about 5 or 6 Atlas Air and 7 Southern Air 747s. I was lucky to record several Southern Air 747s landing at LAX back in 2013, and I am going to look for those videos and make a brand new video, including some of these footages. some of these airplanes have been sitting here in the elements for many, probably years, and as you can see, some of them have been taken completely apart. As you can see, there's a 747 and some more Atlas 747s, and they are being scraped. Everything that is valuable to take out, they have been working hard to get everything out of the airplanes, as much stuff as possible that can be either used other airplanes or just taken apart to be recycled. You can see here an Atlas 747 that has been completely taken apart. The engines are missing, more things are missing. The only way that you can distinguish that this was a Atlas Air, it's because of the tail, because of the library in the back, and that was the only reason I was able to distinguish previous owners. And with these airplanes, I can see one United Airlines airplane. I don't know which airplane is that, but the second one, I believe it's 727, Boeing 727. It's all white, and I'm not really sure if it's it looks like it. As you can see, there are many more airplanes. How many airplanes are resting in this or have been stored here, I do not know, but as you can see, there are many of them, and I don't know if any of these airplanes will ever fly again, or if they're... This is another view from another location, and I was using different camcorders to record this videos, and as you can see, this is pretty much when it hit home that these airplanes have been taken apart and the engines are missing. They're continuing to work on removing every single thing that they can use. I was able to record this 747 Thai Airways back in October 30th, 2014. This is the only time that I have recorded a Thai Airways 747 landing at LAX. And after 20-30 minutes of arriving, it took off for Mojave Airport. And as I have shown you before, some pictures and some videos of this 747 at here LAX, and then at Mojave Airport. As you can see, this airplane has been taken apart. The engines are missing. A couple other things have been removed from this aircraft, and This is when it hit home that these airplanes are being taken apart and maybe they will not fly ever again. Some pictures that I took, and I hope that you enjoy. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and big thanks for watching. You can continue to watch my pictures. Thank you.